it. Okay, so I just. What is it called? A reporter. Good morning! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Arabia, and here is the update for today. I'm just getting on my way home from dropping off my son at school and doing a little bit of activities beforehand. But what I'm about to go do is I actually haven't washed my face. I haven't done anything. I'm gonna get ready for the day. Today I'm doing something really exciting. I'm gonna go pick up some cupcakes because I'm going to be telling my Bible study friends, my ladies, what the gender is of my baby. So I'm super excited. And also we have another surprise. One of my friends is pregnant, and so we're gonna do a double surprise to the Bible study ladies, telling them the gender of my baby and also telling them that our friend is pregnant. Ah! Okay, I am so happy. So I just picked up the cupcakes. Where am I supposed to park? Hold on. Okay, super happy and excited. I just picked up the cupcakes for my Bible study gender reveal. I'm at the store now. I'm at a Dollar Tree now. I'm gonna pick up some sticky notes to put under the cupcakes. So my friends, they'll eat the cupcakes first to see what the gender is of the baby. They'll be like, oh my god. And then I'd be like, okay, next part, pick up the little sticky notes. Now, knowing my friends, they're probably gonna think that I'm having twins or something, or it's gonna have like the name of the baby on it or something. But nope, it's gonna say, Sarah's pregnant. Ah! So yes, I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I can find where, like, I guess the office supplies would be. It's really loud outside, but I got the sticky notes. So super excited. Also, I haven't talked to you guys about trading today. My trades this week have gone pretty good. I got up to like $3,000, lost a little bit of money. So just taking a little bit of reset today and just get back into it. You know, like after a loss, you want to get back into the good feelings and not revenge trade or make bad decisions and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing today. But I will show you one of my really good trades that I took earlier in the week. Took some really good trades, about $900 trades, and then also a trade that was like $1,440. So back to my NQ trade. I entered, whoop, you guys are about to see a hit TP. Let's see what happens for an hit TP. I am on the 5-minute time frame. Oop, TP hit, $654. Awesome. So the reason why I entered, let's talk about it. We see structure here. Structure building up, but I saw this area, this kind of unmitigated zone right here where price could fall. It was like a TP1 type of thing going on. I hadn't entered into the market yet when it was coming here. I wanted to wait. When I was looking at other time frames, 30 minute, it's telling me wants to buy. We have came up, did reject this area, came up, rejected my line, but then it retested. Look at this beautiful retest area. And then this is a little bit of structure right here. 30 minutes, telling me it wants to buy. 1 hour, it's telling me it wants to buy, but I did understand. Ooh. 1 sec. 1 hour, I'm seeing it wants to buy, but I did understand that it could possibly come back down to this little box.
So I was waiting for a potential entry, but I didn't want to get in too early just in case we did retest this box. So back to the 15-minute. Oh, look at that. My TP area is right on for the rejection. I'll probably continue, but you never know. You never know. There is no news this morning, so we'll see. And it's Monday, so the markets are gonna act a little crazy. So when I was watching the 15-minute, I was like, I don't know if this is safe yet. When it was playing right here, I was like, I don't know if this is safe. So I was like, let's go down to the 5-minute because I knew we were bullish, but I needed to find a good entry. When I scooted down to the 5-minute, I see, okay, we had a rejection of the blue line, right? Then I see we had a nice retest of structure, this floor, playing off the EMA, you know, blue over the red means that we're going up, we're bullish, playing on it. So I said, okay, if we retest this little box and stay above, I will feel confident with the trade. So I entered around right here, we retested, came back down a little bit, played, still following the blue line. And that's why I felt safe to remain in the trade. But I only risked, I don't know what it was, 370, 340, whatever it was that you guys saw. I only risked that much just in case because I knew price could come down lower from that 1 hour. That 1 hour did show us that price could come down more before it went completely bullish, which is what, you know, we're doing right now. We're coming low again. I was okay with risking that amount of money. And if it would have hit SL, that would have been my last trade for the day. When I'm trading anymore, it's Monday. I would have just been wrong, and it is what it is. But we kept going. I just watched on the 5-minute because the 5-minute was my entry area. That's where I was going to watch it on because my 5-minute was giving me the confirmations that I needed to trade. And as you saw, price hit TP.
Okay, so, well, I guess I don't need that anymore. Okay, so I have the sticky notes. I have the cupcakes as well. Let's see if I can show it to you guys, though. These are the cupcakes. Super excited. So I have the sticky notes. What I'm doing is I'm folding them hot dog way and then hamburger way, and then I'm going to stick it to the bottom. So we'll talk about trading a little bit while I do this. So when it comes to trading is such a mind game. It truly is like 90% psychology, the way you think, the way you do things, and 10% skill. Because honestly, once you're able to see the markets, like once you're able to see them and understand them, it's just a buy or sell. Just a quick boop, boop, set TP, set stop loss, really easy. Anyone can do that. Anyone can see a break and retest. Anyone can see the markets going up or see the markets going down and get into it. But when it comes to psychology, it's waiting for that right opportunity, not being greedy, risking the amount you need to risk because you're not being greedy, you're not being too tight with your stop loss, you're not being too wide with your stop loss, you're not over exaggerating how far the market can go. You're just making the right decisions. When you take a loss, you're not automatically just hopping in the other direction like you were in for a buy and you hit SL, now you're automatically in for the sell. You're just making the right decisions. And you know what? Just be honest, it's hard to make the right decision sometimes. Like when you're in the heat of the moment, it's hard to make the right decision. Because when you think about it, for some of us, trading might be your only way out. It might be the only way you see yourself making out of the hood, making out of like wherever you are in life, the only way that you're able to feed your kids, the only way you're able to feed yourself, the only way that you're able to make generational wealth or the beginning of it. Like trading is a vehicle. It's a vehicle to get a vehicle. It's a vehicle to get you to where you want to be in life. When you know there's no cap with trading, and you know you can just make so much money, and you see all these people making $500,000 a trade, $50,000 a trade, making $1 million a week from trading. It's intimidating. It's something that you yearn for, that you want so much. It's hard not to be like, if it can happen to them, then it can happen to me, which is 100% true. But sometimes when we think it can happen to them, it can happen to me, we start making wrong decisions and start trying to push our blessings before we're ready to take them, before we're ready to have them, before God is going to give it to us. So then we're gonna hit losses, or we're going to get sidetracked. We're going to skip around with what we're supposed to do. Trading's hard. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. So open this up, and what I'm gonna do is, just place the sticky under the cupcake. So I washed my hands so that I can make sure, and I'm gonna be very careful not to touch the icing. Put the sticky there, sticky right under there, and the cupcake on top. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Cupcake out. Oh, I dropped one. Fudge. Oh, I dropped one. Okay, gotta be careful next time. Sticky out. Let me sticky in. Push it down. And it'll be fine. Okay. You guys need to grow up.
Who is cupcake to the fork?
You can bite into it. I said it's fine. Okay, but okay, Lizbeth. So this is a two-parter though.
Ooh, yes. Twins! Wait, popsicle?
Whimsical, like you said. You like to be whimsical, right? You said, so this is a two-parter. So there is little sticky notes at the bottom of these cupcakes. Okay, so first we're gonna do the gender, and then I have another surprise for you guys, okay? Exciting.
You're getting a dog.
Let's see, guys.
So we get to know
Can I get these names? I want a pink one.
Yep, you guys can grab whichever one you want.
I want a pink.
I really am gonna find yours and not look at the sticky note.
Don't look at this.
Oh, should we grab the sticky note?
No.
Sorry.
Legit.
Don't do it. Remember where our cupcake came from? No, it doesn't matter.
Where'd the cupcake come from?
I think I put it. They came from Publix. No.
Why did I?
Okay, everyone has a cupcake?
Yeah.
We're recording. Okay, ready?
Wait,
What is that?
Wait, can we all just unwrap, please?
Yeah,
Okay,
all
yeah,
around.
unwrap.
Everybody unwrap.
Oh my gosh. Nobody peek. Don't even try to look for a color.
It's like
teaching
it's
guys,
literally-
and I think you're a girl.
Oh wait, let's do that.
You cannot say anything.
I won't, but like that's cute.
Okay, yeah.
All right, Becca.
Wait, okay. I think it's
Where are you?
No, you want to fuck now?
Okay.
Listen, on top
Hi, I'm Becca, and I think it's a boy.
Hi, I'm Auntie Coda, and I think you're a twin.
Twin what?
Doing what?
Boy and girl.
Okay.
So I win either way.
I already said mine.
I think
I'm your TT Sarah, and I know what you are.
I'm young, I think you're a girl.
I'm Lizette, and I know you're a child of God.
Yeah!